Ebusiafo mamu nyina akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH mesrel like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you'll be notified. I must say we edit the settings na season yes sir my buffy. That's will be ebe ko bia no. Yeah. The MPP accept pano ebeko na kosa sema NDC for de no so no ebe ka kire mu enti na settings na season no na yenko asem no so for sometimes I really get emotional when I hear some of the testimonies that people have to give about Akufo Addo. All through ni tenure, no, NDC tried to create the impression as though Akufo Addo was not doing anything, as though Akufo Addo was a lazy leader, he was a visionless leader. But somehow fair to history. No, say Akufo Addo in the Fourth Republic, one of the best presidents we've ever had. Yeah, when you look at take the performance. In fact, not even the Fourth Republic. Sometimes kind of for Yempenukre. Yeah, me we make some we don't Yempenukre. Asema na poko kai. That many people stood against Napo, and people are even saying, say, the reason I want to Abano is because Napoaka say Akufo Addo has worked more than Kwame Nkrumah. I mean, hypocrisy. It's hypocrisy. When the British were handing over this country to Kwame Nkrumah, they gave Ghana money. What is Ghana? Which money could have developed Ghana beyond Kwame Nkrumah? But Kwame Nkrumah decided to use the money to sponsor Guinea for independence and others. Let me leave that one before people start looking for my head. Now, the truth of the matter is I free senior high school graduate B. Akasa. She's now in level 100 studying political science. And this girl, when you listen to the testimony she shared, coming from a family, okay, that Anka, if they were to pay school fees, she would stay in the house for long. Because Asema or Kanokrane say she completed 2020 but Afinoko University. So she should tell you the kind of family she's coming from. Yeah. If Obi out me completing a 6 years before getting money for university. It tells you say Sankanya Akufo Addo can invest a casino school crown bingo. And I can relate. I can relate. Sometimes I wish say Akufo Addo had come earlier. Yeah. Because Akufo Addo started contesting 2008, yes, sir. And he started speaking about free senior high school since 2008. Yes, sir. Hey. Anka Yemubi. Also, in free senior high school, because after senior high school, I had to stay home for 3 years. 1, 2, 3. Because there was nobody. Okay, and you said there was nobody. My auntie was trying. But I mean, her effort alone was not enough. And the school, especially from Form 2, 3, 4, I owed school fees. And guess what? The school fees I owed in all, it was less than 1,000 Ghana cedis. So it was less, but I had to work for 3 years. 2016, that's when I got an Nyaskano, right? To go and pay and take my certificate before applying to university. And when someone Obi testify about Akufo Addo, yeah, I relate. Because me Busham say, if I won't lie, about 8 people have gone to senior high school under Akufo Addo. Nipa 8. That nipa 8 konya ska onva. Ka ombeti na fie. We Daniel mu church leaders cry. Akofa na many microphone. But thanks to Akufo Addo, they all went through. Ghana 4. We don't recognize good things. And it's for that reason that someone will go and vote for NDC. Before we go it and listen to a lady Nuno, studio project no still like Koso. So far, we've been able to raise 10,000. I got 15,000. I believe you, I trust you, and I trust God. We will reach our target. So the number is down here. If you want to support,
Mobaka say better Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia your party mu internal election ho asemi.
Yes.
Abronye eka asem say Richard Anane Akufo penso. Papa edi sika bia na ni kwan so odi.
Yeah.
And then that's what Ghana Police Service. Achicha ma abronye. Wow. Wo match no, ye ni ba be papa na chira kwan wo.
And almost I got to see
me boss, I'm a friend.
I think almost actually Sunyai communicator be so.
Omachi Baba Mando, Sunyani is the communication director.
Yeah.
Now your name say, and what the no kwa chire. Na Joma man in the end this you say, hey. Omo yiro amhunu omonye. Na ya nyina so omomachi yan fa yanko. Sebi, Jimini ni kwasi asamu awa mamu na doso.
Mama, what Jimmy found? Sometimes, yeah, I'm not in person. You better call it because politics is there.
Democracy.
Yes, mommy. Why?
Dada.
Yes.
Miss Row, Mamma Casimwe. Miss Row.
For me to come on, you know, from Kra, more for women to be shown.
Miss Row, Mamma Casim, Pacho, pay for what I would timpa upon one show. 2020, about 1 hour cotoin. But the moon now to form the Ghana of Nasi.
Me Pacho family tour you can see more why now. I think it's a topic in the sister. Now you try say you better come with why.
Mommy and sister
topic in now.
Quimby control mommy why Miss Row.
Okay. I think I tell me here moderator to be van into. Okay, mommy. Yeah, Pacho or do you?
But the moon now to that I want now 2020. Okotoa ba main people me da wana asakasa. Only then 2020 no papa okayele ma ye gino okọ hospital obe na osemaba hospital na manko mkotoa ba papa madam wan madachi mwenye ni mu aba na say no ya aba na kwotuma so odu a mubohu sana papa akotoa aba da am MPP papa me no kase mko school mo senior high school. I am a beneficiary from the free senior high school. Sender Mijina Hamekasa, Minim America. Kasa, papa. Free SHS na yokwen, yen double. I wanna warm from Woko free SHS na. Sabi, won't pay attention. Woko waste your money, I want to work at the free SHS no. Onion. And you know yoko free SHS, sabi. Ye your course school needs yenima basende if I can read and write or nanado na membu pa or the ball my imu eno mama so sabe yanka mutira minnimu aba minnimu fa so yeba university ayeto from sia what the policy be about what yencho ye fees na yeba the next 3 months to 4 months no oba send yes scam ya makwan na yekutie yo ya makwan me wa free SHS wanyen demo free SHS one the one can't that often check later on check me died madam what's it is being free and what didn't ya pede you catch Ghana baby wine there
on farm still
level 100 University of Education doing political science offer the mission of farming and I
moderator meba afiatogo do ye obia mute no ma ye ye be sremo obia mute no na obi gina floor kasa me sremo wo fura mute wo me di yakopon di srew de me da mu nyina ase afia yanko
The hostel I yawo, Miss me level 100, the Miss Cano, offer my cousin, wabba level 200, Nissan Cascano. I am MPP for your school moha, Yakasa pet. Hey, no, Tretson, no day, move phone and I'm a dear, Jumano, we be ya, in this for. I remember Papa Benny. Democrats, na woman is they working. Another water from an watch ya. Freedom of speech, is it working again? Anya yeba ma yenwo do yeba ka asam papa no Mori MP Abra Asebu kwa manka se papa marshal wo do minima asam na wo kan yekọ free SHS na enyi baby yebedo isu papa di nanka se niska hair hostel man because of amambu papa no wo do nti ni MP ni na wo tirim do wo fan wanka do minyimu o dey na me de miska ko o manye baby ma ye dey me ade. Now I've been able to come to the university. Menya free SHS no mfaso menua nya no mfaso free SHS na no muda wo fan yet obi won aye wo campaign na free SHS na okom wo boa e de ba no bodu wo me school ama anya no sebe nda na meka me no kwa na ye mewia milk na ado kofie because na ado na we shranyen yes so ye mpanyufo yes so ye communicators yes someone woman yes yankasa ye express ye ho edo bi wo yankomam 2020 aba papa wo ko to yinto wama ye gine baby in the me level 100 me read the political science or ye free SHS na daruma because in 2020 me read SS na me chiri ni bi menim ni bi we su aba pa mo de ko gwa akwem oboy kwan or the man flat entire so that ye last
maybe my moderator why.
So that yellow breed. So that yellow breed, everybody, Yenji, you mamma, people. Na, but Padam use them opportunities to catch them. I want to go a walk and then life in doing nine, you miss one. You mean to won't come. When my power by Yensi, Minu Abba, Abba, a benny free SHS no doom for so. Madam one as a make class, you mean sure one.
Okay, but what the answer be follow biawa so that ubeti bi aba be di free SHS no enkomo
Mr. Anytime I your life,
effect of this new threat that we are likely to face. I don't know if you understand the question I'm asking you.
Oh, me say because the first minister will not be on our borders to make sure say or no down protected by the policies and also execution of security policies and stuff. And to make us looking at the geopolitics, say the global politics therefore no. There's the need for defense minister. What is I am not writing off the say the necessary to appoint a defense minister, but the American say yeah, can we nana yeah can we have be say Ghana at risk as a sabi because say substantive defense minister word ma all the briefing in no yeah the bema no same as the your friend is saying acting defense minister no yeah the same briefing if there's the need for us to get certain logistics yes why not because geopolitics any global security no it is beyond human bodies standing being at the maybe your borders so it has gone beyond that. So what you say? So if there's a briefing, say one more call borders, no, there's a need for our drone security, the drone security system. Yes, why not? Or the balance of the finance minister, who is also the acting, who's also acting as the defense minister, no, seek the need to get that drone security now. Why not? I am not saying say yeah.
Yeah, so about many message from one of the guests or say on my ben when we say defense minister a double as finance minister that uni on my back could be as
me pacho your my back on Ghana.
Debbie. Okay, Mate.
There be also my back. Yeah, Ghana your mind.
You made that say all right.
Thank you. Yes.
Any question, Macho?
Mpacho Asunaba Mpacho friend is saying defense minister ni interior minister ube to me achire me omumi no obiara role play.
Defense minister ono na said the minister was the closely working with the military. Military no almost protected the territorial borders. So the defense minister no not necessarily internal security. Internal security no is for the interior minister. I will not bear the internal security. No.
Then why were you talking only about interior? Once we have interior minister, then now we are talking about defense minister. Defense minister, no. Aye, idea where your borders anyway. As soon about them pato meba. Bia ubeye minua, ube to me I am a ba. Ube to me so I am a papa, asam can America. But a free say when you bow also. Sa separating you said the and omoje your friend is saying fisherman for nsuo so a omo kidnap omo ni we say free say ya wo ba Ghana what be that maybe
I just me research, but recently now me see news now. This me back now me say yeah, if see that now say didn't see that.
The reason because our defense is at stake, you know.
And see, our defense is at stake. Me bow. Our defense is at stake, you know. And no, defense minister because our defense is at stake. That is also directly to the defense minister. It was internal this thing and whatever it is, you know.
And that wasn't job for interior minister. And I'm a for interior minister. I juma for defense minister. And yeah, juma for interior.
Okay, so this what we'll do. We'll proceed. Mama Pacho, wait there for
give us. Make me a question.
Okay, in 1 minute. Briefly, Pacho, I'm now moderating the show, so Pacho, I want to set some rules for engagement so that the show would go on without any issues. Pirate, guys, I'll be muting. I'm a moderator for the show, please. I'll be muting.